नमस्कार, मैं प्रवीण गौतम और आप देख रहे पब्लिक मीटर। दोस्तों, वीडियो में आपको दिखाएंगे कि पश्चिम बंगाल चुनाव के नतीजों को लेकर ज्ञानेश कुमार और चुनाव आयोग पर किस तरह गरजी है ममता बनर्जी। ममता बनर्जी ने दावा किया कि उन्होंने जिंदगी में ऐसा चुनाव नहीं देखा। स्टूडेंट लाइफ से लेकर पश्चिम बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री तक लंबा राजनीतिक जीवन रहा है ममता बनर्जी का, और उस सफर को याद करते हुए और चुनाव आयोग पर बरसते हुए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ममता बनर्जी ने क्या कहा, जरा सुनिए।
हम लोग जैसा फाइट किया इंची टू इंची, इतना फाइट हम लोगों ने किया जिंदगी मौत को सामने रख के। तब भी अगर हमारा फाइट तो बीजेपी का साथ नहीं था, हमारा फाइट था इलेक्शन कमीशन का साथ। और अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन बेच जाए, अगर जुडिशियरी से कोई जस्टिस ना मिले, अगर इतना लोगों को लॉजिस्टिकल नाम पे निकाल दिया जाए, वन साइडेड इलेक्शन ऑफिसर लोग काम करे, स्विच ऑफ कर दे, ईवीएम मशीन कैप्चर करे। आप हमको बताइए, जब लोगों ने वोट देता है मशीन में, उसका चार्ज, बैटरी चार्ज 40 का नीचे उतर जाता है, लेकिन 1995 कैसे हुआ? कैसे हुआ? आई एम रेजिंग द क्वेश्चन। सैड टू से, CEC became the villain of this election to loot the democratic rights of the people and to loot the EVM machine. Can you tell me that after voting EVM machine, 80 to 95% is the charge? How it is possible? Before 2 days of election, by please, আপনারা একটু কথা কম বলুন। Before 2 days of election, they started arresting our people like anything. They started raid in everywhere, and they changed all the IC to OC to SDO to DM to IPS, all IPS, IS, WBCS, WBPS, all they changed. And they selected from their party, and BJP play the game directly with the election commission. It's a betting, you can say, the got up betting between BJP and the election commission. We fought against the all machinery, where Prime Minister and Home Minister is also involved. Directly interference. SIR, they deleted 90 lakhs name from the voter list. And when we went to court adjudication, 32 lakhs were included. But do you know that after that, the 7 lakhs what was deposited together, that is also included? But nobody knows that. So how they play the dirty, nasty and mischievous games. I have never seen this type of election in my life. From the beginning, in my student life, I have seen so many elections. Even 2004 also, when I was only alone, there also I have not seen this type of atrocities. When we are student, we came to know 1972. I am grateful to all my India team's leader. Sonia ji rang up me, Rahul Gandhi rang up me, Arvind Kejriwal, उद्धव ठाकरे, अखिलेश यादव, तेजस्वी, हेमंत सोरेन यादव, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United India Alliance, Indian Alliance, they said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to come today itself, but I said you come better tomorrow. So he's coming tomorrow, and one by one everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell me that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I gave full life for service to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn one paisa of pension, or I have not taken one paisa of salary also. But now I am free bird. So I have to do some work. That I will manage to do it. And our party will see. They started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me, scheduled caste family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said, we will rape you. And her grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Deganga, Deganga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with goons, started atrocities, and they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. My official agents are not allowed. I am not allowed. I went inside for few minutes. They kicked me in my belly. They kicked me in my backside, and they abused, physically manhandled, assaulted, and you cannot imagine what happened, because that time CCTV was off. So far I know, I have seen the CCTV footage from inside the room. Then I was sitting there, I said, unless and until the counting is started, the normalcy is restored, I will sit here as a candidate. I have seen the data bank area, all the BJP candidate and with 200 goons, they are operating the data. Then they just thrust me, thrown me out from the counting station. धक्का देके देके मारके मारके निकाला. As a woman, I feel it is not only the insultation. I am as a human being, how they misbehave with me. So I can guess the other candidates, how they are being tortured, and the workers. Party is solidly with them, and all the United India leadership, they are also together. We will bounce back, we will fight this battle. But whatever this government of India's direct interference,
मोदी सरकार और चुनाव आयोग को सुनाने के अलावा ममता बनर्जी ने उन नेताओं का भी नाम लिया, राहुल गांधी, अखिलेश यादव, केजरीवाल सहित तमाम नेताओं का नाम लिया और कहा कि वो अब इंडिया गठबंधन को मजबूत करने के लिए काम करेंगी। जो चुनाव आयोग और बीजेपी मिलकर देश में कर रही है, उसके खिलाफ अब काम करेंगी, उसके खिलाफ मोर्चा बनाएंगी, ये दावा किया ममता बनर्जी ने। आप पश्चिम बंगाल के इन नतीजों को लेकर क्या सोचते हैं और जो ममता बनर्जी ने आरोप लगाए हैं उसे लेकर क्या सोचते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी राय जरूर दें। साथ ही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें। नमस्कार।